thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we are opening up the very last monthly box of California Found. So right when I received this box, I found out that they are switching to a seasonal subscription. So don't worry, they're not like canceling it or anything like that. It's gonna just change from monthly to seasonal. So I'm guessing the next one will either be spring or summer. Stay tuned for that. But today we're opening up the February box. So I love California Found. Everything that comes in the box is from local artisans in California, so it supports small businesses, which I love, and all the items we get are always so great. So this is what the box looks like. So the monthly box is like $49 a month, or you can do a one-time purchase for $55. So I believe on their website you'll still be able to purchase like one-time boxes for now until they're seasonal. I will update my description or pin a comment when I know more details on changing seasonal. I think that's actually exciting because in my experience, I've seen boxes go from monthly to seasonal, and usually they really step it up and it's totally worth it. So I'll be a little bummed having to wait because I think this box is great, but it's okay. I'm excited to see the changes that are coming ahead. I will link their website down below if you want to learn more about their website or keep up to date on the changes coming, but for now, let's open up this box and see what we got. When I open it up, this is what I see. Sorry, my voice kind of went out there on me. I'm recovering from an illness, as many of you guys know. Feeling better, but my voice isn't 100% there. So these cards have information on the box and then the items as well. So it says, welcome to the California Found February 2020 collection. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of gorgeous California artisan-made products in a newly produced box. Part of our mission is to be as gentle on the planet as possible while still giving you the amazing unboxing experience we're known for. In support of that philosophy, we are now sourcing boxes that are more earth-friendly and are reducing our packaging by sending a collection in the smallest box possible. Inside, everything is the same. Wonderful artisan discoveries, our vendor profile cards, even our signature California Poppy sticker. And one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles the recipient to one free box to keep or give as a gift. So look carefully and good luck. We're also honored to continue our ongoing commitment to 1% for the planet. So they give back 1% every month, which I think is amazing. And then the cards underneath that talk about each product. They show the maker of it. They're very detailed, and they give coupon codes as well. So if you're interested in any of these companies, let me know. I can share that with you. And then everything is packed really nicely in these swigglies of tissue paper. I can't even give you a sneak peek, so I'm just going to pull the first thing. I noticed here. Oh, is that a candle? Yay! I hope so. It looks like it. Yes, we have something here about indigo handcrafted candles, and this is in sage and lavender. That sounds like it will be amazing. Let's take a sniff. I love it. It smells so good, even through this congested head of mine. So let's find the card on this. So here is the product card. Aren't these super nice? So you can see the creator here and learn more about them. So the featured product is Sage and Lavender Coconut Wax Candle, and the retail price is $12, and there is a code here for 15% off. And it talks about the creator, who is Marisol Clement, and that is awesome. And it looks like she gives back as well. She donates 12% of all of her purchases to save the children. That is awesome. I'm not going to read all of these just for the sake of time and my sick voice, but I am super excited to get a candle. You guys know I love them. I go through them like so quickly. I don't know how people have like candle collections. I'm like, always have them on. Next up we have something in this little box here. I'm guessing is jewelry. Let's take a look. Ooh, it is. It looks like it's a ring. This is by Charming Little Lotus. And, oh, this is pretty. Let me put it on so I can show you. My nails are so gross. I'm hoping to go to the salon soon, just because I've been a little sick. I don't want to make someone sit by me that long, you know, but I'm feeling better. I really like this ring. It's really like dainty and cute, and it looks like it, since it has like the little slits there, you can kind of size it to fit you. I was able to get it on no problem. I really like that. I love simple, like delicate jewelry, even though I'm wearing more like non-delicate earrings, but I like those too. Okay, let's find it. So here is the card for Charming Little Lotus. And the product we got is the New Growth Tendril Ring, and this has a retail value of $45. Wow. And there's a code here to save 20%. And it looks like the creator is Helen Louise. And each piece is finished by hand. And she uses recycled silver. That is awesome. I love this ring. This is, man, so far I love the candle and the ring. Like, I usually don't wear rings all the time, but I feel like I'll keep this one on. Ooh, next up we have like a spice or something like that. This is by Kitchen Bitch. All-purpose seasoning, a blend of fresh herbs and Himalayan salt. And on the back it says, this all-purpose seasoning salt flavors everything. It is your bitch in the kitchen. Put this on eggs, steak, pizza, chicken, veggies, corn, salmon, pasta sauce, polenta, tofu, soup, rice, quinoa, guacamole, and more. Why did they say guacamole? I know, Nikki, aka Southern Mom, she knows. Once I hear the word guacamole, I need guacamole. God, I wish I could hit you guys up, be like, hey, wanna go out for Mexican Marks tonight? Let's do it. Oh my God, yum. So it's a proprietary blend of garlic, black pepper, fennel, paprika, and Himalayan salt. Nice. I need guac. Let's learn a little bit more about this. La Luna Salt. There is the creator. These are all gorgeous people. I think I've said that before. I'm like, so this Kitchen Bitch all-purpose seasoning is $10, and they have a code that if you buy any 2 salts, you'll get another one free. I'm super excited to try this out. I love the name of it, Kitchen Bitch. Next, it looks like we have 2 items from this company, LB Love Organics, and I love their logo. Isn't that so cute? Here, let me put this one closer. My camera's kind of far away, but hopefully you guys can see. So we have the LB Love Organic Lip Love in Vanilla Mint. This is like a lip balm, and then what is it? And a lip scrub, nice, also in Vanilla Mint. So here is the card for this company. And this is handmade in California. Well, they all are handmade in California, but let's see. LB Love Organics is consciously created organic skincare for everybody. So the lip scrub is $6.50 and the lip balm is $5.15, and there's a 20% off code. I seriously love her labels. They're so cute. At first I thought that was everything, but I found something on the bottom. Oh my God, I'm getting this swiggly stuff everywhere. This is Misbehavin' Raw Local Honey Eco-Friendly Beeswax Wrap. Oh, cool. They always send us cool eco-friendly stuff in the subscription, by the way. It says, an eco-friendly alternative to plastic. Wrap up sandwiches, cheese, fruit, or use to cover your leftovers. Using the warmth of your hands, wraps will form and shape over the tops of dishes, foods, or snacks. Wrap will hold its shape when it cools, creating a seal. It's reusable. To reuse it, gently wash with soap and warm water and air dry. When properly cared for, wraps can last up to a year of use. So the large one is 13 by 13 inches, and then there's a medium one in there that's 8 by 8 inches. This is so neat. And it's so cute too. Oh my God, I don't have anything like this. I love the idea of this. I'm really trying to leave like less of a carbon footprint on this earth to be more eco-friendly, and I love finding out new ways to do so, and this is one that I'm super excited about. So let me find the card for this one. Here it is right there. And this is founded by Kelly Knapp. She's been a woman beekeeper for over 150 hives in Brentwood, California. She started her company 16 years ago. So the set of 2 non-button beeswax wraps are $15, and there's a code here for 15% off. I think what they're doing is so cool. That is awesome, you guys. This is one of my favorite months I've ever gotten from California Found, and I don't wait to get another one. But I'm so excited to see what they do with the seasonal box. So I love seriously everything. Like, I'm always happy with the boxes, but this is probably my favorite box. Like, the candle is great. I absolutely love getting candles. Will always love getting candles. It smells really good too. And I think that ring is so cute. And I think I will totally get use out of this lip balm and lip scrub once I use my other ones, and I love the labels of them, so I'm just gonna like keep them right here. So cute. Kitchen Bitch seasoning, I will definitely use this, and I'm probably most excited to use this because I think that is so clever and so great for the environment. I love it. Really inspires me to be more eco-conscious, even more so than I already try to be. So yeah, that was everything that came inside our box. I think this is a great month. I'm really excited to see what happens with California Found in the future. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Have you guys ever used eco-friendly like wax paper? Like, not even just wax paper for baking, like this is to like seal things. That is so cool, like for your sandwiches, leftovers. I'll have to use it for some leftovers for sure, and I can let you guys know how that is. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!